Everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, January the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain, the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. And I have not so good news for you today, because in today's newspaper I've showed you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so what I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. News of the day: well, 114 days ago, another war started in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going. Alright, let me go back to the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, this will be number 7892. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, for 2 stars puzzle, it's a 2 stars, has 26 printed digits, and I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve for 2 stars puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, usually it has 24 printed digits. This one has 2 printed digits more. Then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more. The question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then yeah. 5. Come on. How about 2, 3? Well. Need a 9 here. This one, I need to think. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and the 7 in the middle column, so no 1 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. That means we have an 8 here and a 3 here. That means we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers here in this column, the 7 and the 1. Well, it should be a 1 here because we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the only place left, the 1 should be there. I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 3, 3. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. We need a 5 here. Yeah, in this row we need a 5. 2, 7, 5. 2, 7, 5. And well, we need a 5 here. Here can be a 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. So the only place left for 5 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Alright. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Need a 5 there. Alright, need an 8 here. Need a 2 here. Okay, and now, 3, 3. Need a 7 here. 7, 9. Need a 6 here. Well, we have 7, 6. We have a pair. No, not a pair, not a pair, not a pair. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 3, 4, 8, and we have a 3 and 8 in the third row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 4. Okay, 3, 4, and 3 and 8 here. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers in this third row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. 7 and a 9 we have here in the third column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left for this row for number 6. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. Column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Need a 7 here. Need 7 there. Okay. Then. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Okay. How about 4, 6. Need a 2 here. These 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have 2 and a 4 in this column. First column, no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 3 then. Okay. Here should be also 3. We have a pair, I believe. Not? No. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 5 should be there. So here, 2 numbers left in the first column, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 8 goes there, 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 3 and 8, we have 8 in second row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, almost the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first row, second row, correction, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, 2 in the row below, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, almost the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, almost the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and an 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, again. We solve it faster than 40 minutes, 30 minutes, 0 stars. Publisher, wrong indication. Anyway, I like this one. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.